Most of the people we talk to are starting out with an ERP database, but there's always something they want to add to it, whether it's consolidating across multiple ERP databases or bringing in spreadsheet data or tying it to their CRM or billing system. There's always some other piece of information they need to look at together with their ERP. We just finished a project for a global philanthropic organization where they have over 40 different Microsoft Dynamics GP databases and 5 or 6 different currencies, and they needed to build reports across the entire organization. Another client had a Dynamics GP database, and they acquired another company that had another Dynamics database, and then they acquired another company that had a different accounting platform altogether. But they didn't have to convert everyone to GP because they were able to consolidate accounting platforms in Bio. The way we do that is to take all that data, whether it's in multiple databases or spreadsheets, and combine it in the Bio data warehouse. Bio is really a major code generator, so without having any data warehouse experience, you can pull together all that data into the data warehouse. We're going to take a look at just a couple of screenshots to give you an idea of just how easy it is to do consolidations in Bio. On the left, you can see we have multiple what we call reporting units. These reporting units can be thought of as separate data warehouses or separate analysis services databases. We can pull as many data sources as we want into a single reporting unit. So, at the top of the screen, you see multiple databases, and they could be different types of databases like different accounting systems, SQL transactional or operational systems, even spreadsheets. And you just drag and drop those data sources to be included in the reporting unit from the top of the screen to the bottom half of the screen. You get all of the Dynamics connections out of the box, which includes about 500 different data objects. This screen shows how we select the data source to set up a new global data source in Bio. These data sources could even be on different servers. There's just not much to it. It's that easy. When you use multiple data sources, you need to have the ability to map information from one system to another. In this example, we're consolidating different accounting systems, and we need to map to a global chart of accounts. The drop-down shows the different companies we're mapping from. Suppose there's an account in one of these companies that you'd like to change on the consolidation to map to a global account or to an account in the main company. Simply select the data source, the company we're pulling from, and the account you're mapping, and drag and drop it to the account you want to map it to. There is also a currency rate tab here. So if we're doing a global consolidation and we have companies set up in multiple functional currencies, we can create one or more global currencies that pull all that together. That currency rate table can be either entered directly or uploaded from a spreadsheet or uploaded from the Dynamics rate table. Another thing that's important when consolidating data is how you model hierarchies or create user-defined roll-ups of information. Whether it's the main account or a segment in the account, customers, salespeople, products, anything in the system, there may be different ways you want to roll those up and create a multi-level, possibly ragged hierarchy. For those of you who are familiar with FRX or Management Reporter, you're used to programming a row format and then a column format and then trees to do this. Think of this screen as a combination of creating that row format and the column format and the tree simultaneously. You use masks and ranges and what we call priorities and drag and drop members to create the user-defined roll-ups. This is a feature unique to Bio, and it goes way beyond what you can do with FRX or Management Reporter. You can also use priorities to make sure you're not missing or double counting accounts. If ranges overlap each other, there's a way you can set which takes precedence and make sure you don't duplicate accounts or miss any newly added accounts. Want to see more? Give us a call at 203-327-0800 or visit our website at www.bio4analytics.com.